Hey guys, ready to boost your grades with some killer study hacks? Let's dive right in. First up, set a timer for 25 minutes, zone in on your work, then take a 5-minute break. It keeps your brain fresh and focused. You'll be amazed at how much you get done. Next, instead of just reading your notes, quiz yourself. Write down questions and try to answer them without peeking. This method helps your brain retain information better. Now let's talk about. These are fantastic for visual learners. Start with a central idea and branch out with related topics. It's like a brain dump on paper and makes complex info easier to understand. Got a test coming up? Try. Review your notes multiple times over increasing intervals. This technique strengthens your memory and makes sure you don't forget what you've learned. Don't underestimate the power of a good. Create one with instrumental or lo-fi beats to keep distractions at bay. Music can help you stay calm and focused. Also, a change of scenery can break the monotony and make studying feel less like a chore. Try a quiet cafe, a park, or even a different room in your house. Remember to get plenty of sleep, eat well, and stay hydrated. Your brain works better when your body is happy. Finally, break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and celebrate your progress. It keeps you motivated and on track. All right, give these hacks a shot and watch your grades soar. Happy studying, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you next time on BRIGHTWAY.